Have you ever thought about the humble boiler? Probably not, right? It's just that big metal thing humming away in the background. But what if I told you that these unsung heroes of industry hold the power to disrupt our entire world? Today, we're peeling back the layers on a topic you have likely never considered, the massive global ripple effect of a single boiler failure. It's a story of interconnected economies, hidden vulnerabilities, and the surprising fragility of our modern lives. Let's start with the basics. Boilers are the heart of countless industries. From generating the electricity that powers our homes and charges our phones, to pasteurizing the milk in our refrigerators, and even helping create the fabrics in the clothes we wear. They are everywhere, working silently behind the scenes. They are the engine of production, the power behind progress. So, what happens when one of these critical hearts stops beating? Imagine a major power plant, a catastrophic boiler failure. That doesn't just mean a local blackout. In our interconnected power grids, that sudden loss of supply can trigger a domino effect, causing rolling blackouts across an entire region or even a country. Businesses grind to a halt, hospitals switch to emergency generators, transportation systems fail. The economic losses can skyrocket into the billions in a matter of hours. The impact isn't just about inconvenience, it's a direct hit to a nation's GDP. But the chain reaction doesn't stop there. Let's shift our focus to manufacturing. Consider a massive chemical plant that produces a key ingredient for, say, plastics. If its main boiler goes down, production stops. Suddenly, companies all over the world that rely on that specific ingredient can't make their products. Car manufacturers might have to halt assembly lines because they can't get plastic dashboards. Toy companies can't produce their next big seller. The supply chain, this intricate global web we all depend on, starts to unravel from a single point of failure. Prices for everyday goods can spike as supply dwindles, and the effects are felt in the wallets of ordinary people thousands of miles away. Think about our food supply. Large-scale food processing relies heavily on boilers for sterilization, cooking, and pasteurization. A failure at a major food processing facility can lead to massive food spoilage and shortages. This isn't just a business problem, it's a food security issue. It can disrupt the availability of essential goods on supermarket shelves, affecting families and communities. It highlights how our ability to feed a growing global population is tied to the reliable operation of this often overlooked technology. What we're seeing is that a boiler is never just a boiler. It's a critical link in a global chain. Its failure is a stark reminder of how interconnected and surprisingly fragile our world is. The systems we've built for efficiency can also be our greatest vulnerability. Understanding these hidden risks isn't about fear-mongering. It's about appreciating the incredible engineering that keeps our world running and recognizing the importance of maintenance, innovation, and safety in these vital industries. The next time you flick on a light switch or buy a product from a store, take a second to think about the invisible network of power and production that made it possible. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this perspective interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that uncovers the hidden mechanics of our world. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.